Imagine if you could know what someone else is thinking. Sounds like a plot from a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that science has been flirting with this idea for quite some time now? Welcome to the intriguing realm of mind reading, a concept that has been fascinating us for centuries and has been portrayed in countless books, films, and TV shows. Now, you might be wondering, is there any validity to this idea? Can we really delve into someone else's thoughts? Well, that's where we introduce the scientific term mentalism. Mentalism is essentially the art of understanding and manipulating human behavior to create an illusion of mind reading. It's a blend of psychology, intuition, and keen observation. But don't be mistaken, it's not some kind of supernatural power, but a skill that can be learned and honed. Now that you have a basic idea of what mentalism is, let's delve deeper into the world of mind reading. No, mentalism isn't about having supernatural powers. It's more about understanding and interpreting human behavior. You see, the art of mentalism is steeped in the science of psychology. Mentalists are like detectives of the mind, using various psychological techniques to read people's thoughts. They observe and interpret micro-expressions, those fleeting, involuntary facial expressions that can betray our innermost thoughts and feelings. They also pay close attention to body language, whether it's a flicker of an eye, a twitch of a finger, or a shift in posture. These physical cues can reveal a lot about what's going on in a person's mind. Then, there's the power of words. Mentalists are adept at picking up verbal cues, the subtle hints in our speech that can give away our thoughts. They listen not just to what we say, but how we say it. The tone, the pacing, the pauses. All these can provide valuable insights into our state of mind. Famous mentalists like Darren Brown and Max Maven have mastered these techniques, leaving audiences astounded with their seemingly supernatural abilities to read minds. But what they're really doing is applying scientific principles to understand human behavior. Impressive, isn't it? But remember, while mentalism can give you an edge in understanding others, it doesn't give you the power to control their thoughts. So, can anyone become a mentalist? And is it possible to read minds accurately all the time? The journey to mentalism requires rigorous training and a profound understanding of human behavior. Not everyone can master this skill, and even the most skilled mentalists can't read minds perfectly every time. There are ethical considerations too, as using these techniques can invade personal space. While mentalism can seem magical, it's important to remember it's grounded in science and requires a deep understanding of human behavior. So, do you think you have what it takes to read minds? Share your thoughts in the comments below.